In today's video, I am going to cook the greatest burger in the world. 2 pounds of Wagyu ground beef. And I'm gonna beat my daughter Emma, who's standing over there right now, because we're doing a burger cook-off challenge. What do you have to say about that?
I'm gonna win. Mine's gonna be more delicious, more flavorful.
2 pound burger patty, best burger on the entire planet. I'm a carnivore. I have been for around 800 days now. I know something about burgers, and often for a carnivore, they're way too thin. I need 1.5 to 2 pounds of meat, and I'm gonna put that into one gigantic patty. I'm gonna put some bacon on the top. All right, the key to a fantastic burger is good meat. This is from WagyuFarms.com. It's Wagyu ground beef, 1 pound. That would be for a weakling amateur like Emma. 2 pounds, this is for a real carnivore. I'm gonna put this together into one gigantic patty. Oh, this is gonna be so ridiculous. Look at this.
Oh my gosh. Need a fork. Okay, that actually worked good. How is it gonna stay up and stay big?
I don't know, I'm kind of regretting that egg. It's a little much. 2 pounds of Wagyu ground beef. And today's video is proudly sponsored by Maven. Look at this, watch. Isn't that satisfying? Maven is a Bluetooth thermometer, dual Bluetooth thermometer. 2 thermometers on it, and you can pull them out. First of all, it's got a little stand on the back, but I love the fact that it has the digital readout right here. I've had other ones that hook up to my phone, and you gotta update the app, and you forget about the app, and it's a big pain in the butt, frankly. You can also set it, put this in the middle of the burger. I'll show you that, and when it gets to 135, this thing's gonna go off. It's gonna tell me I have a burger. We're gonna make the world's greatest burger ever today, and Emma's burger is gonna be disgusting and horrible.
I'm gonna make the world's greatest burger, and I heard your whole game plan.
I'm gonna smoke this thing. 225. I gotta go get the smoker started. I forgot about that step.
Stop.
Emma's grinding up her cheese for her inferior burger. A good burger doesn't need it. Your inferior burger, a good burger doesn't need cheese. Do not sabotage my burger.
Bacon.
I'm gonna go outside. I got the Yoder smoker going at 235 degrees. I'm gonna let it get up to heat. I'm gonna put that gigantic burger on there. I'm gonna put the Bluetooth meat thermometer in there to track it. And it's been rainy and cold out here in Wisconsin, but
Uh-oh, this is already burning. Oopsie.
who's judging our burgers?
I think we could judge them.
It's gonna be so good. You know, you couldn't normally cook a burger like that thick, but because I'm putting it in the smoker, it's gonna be good. My burger is gonna have a side of bacon, thick cut Costco bacon.
I'm just gonna have bacon crumbs in mine.
So while Emma's over there cooking a burger, my burger's just waiting patiently over there. My burger's gonna be fantastic because I'm gonna smoke it low and slow at 225. You see how thick that is? If you just tried to cook that on a pan, it would be raw in the middle, but because you smoke it low and slow, it'll get in there, it'll cook the whole thing. It's gonna have a nice smoky flavor. It needs a lot of salt because, let's face it, it's 2 pounds of burger meat. Please don't drop it, please don't drop it. Look at that absolute beaut. All right, so I got that on there. I've got that set at 225, and I've got my Maven right there, the thermometer right there, and I'm gonna put it right in the center. Perfect. Now, when that hits 135, it's at 67 now. That's gonna beep, and it's gonna tell me it's ready to go. Super simple. You don't need a stupid app that constantly needs update and fails for you. It's a beaut, Clark. It's a beaut. Look, even the goats like it. And I think I might sear it on this. I can get this little ceramic grill just searing hot with some charcoal. I got the little charcoal chimney right there. Oh, what the heck? This has a couple settings. Right there it says meat. Well, that's the temperature of the meat. You can press this little arrow. See it set? That's the ambient temperature. That's the temperature of the firebox right now. So it tells you the temperature of the firebox outside of the thermometer, and then the internal temperature of the meat is at 60 right now. We need to get that to 135. Quick interruption, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in learning more about our documentary, Healing Humanity, The Power of a Proper Human Diet, or supporting it, please visit donate.healinghumanity.movie. Our goal is to reach millions of people that are hopeless right now and sharing the examples of real people over the course of 1 year that are undertaking a proper human diet to overcome obesity, type 2 diabetes, depression, anxiety, fertility issues. We couldn't do it without you. We thank you so much. We are also selling these shirts, Healing Humanity, The Power of a Proper Human Diet. Every penny we get from those goes towards the documentary. And last, we have memberships. If you click the little join button, it's best to do it on desktop. Under any one of my YouTube videos, you can join and become a member. We have hundreds of members right now. We do members only videos. We do members only behind the scenes. You can email me as a member and I'll answer you. And every penny from that goes to support the documentary. And the last thing is we have these Redmond's portable salt shakers. These things are awesome. You can get the best salt. You can take it with you. We sell these on the website along with our water bottles and cutting boards, and every penny from all of those goes 100% towards supporting the documentary. You can also sign up for our newsletter, which is completely free. All of these links are in the description below. Thank you so much for your support. Now back to today's video. It's raining out. My burger is going. It's at 70 degrees internal temperature. I gotta go see what Emma's doing inside and how far along she's come. She's doing a pretty giant burger in there, low and slow on the cast iron skillet. Let's go see what Emma's up to.
Little ground beef.
Yours is done?
I think so. It's a little crispy, but look at that. A pound of cheesy bacon cheeseburger.
That's 1 pound?
Cheesy bacon burger patty. Yep, that's 1 pound.
Kind of looks good, actually.
It looks really good. You can see the cheese in it.
Mine's gonna take longer. Are you gonna taste test it?
I'm gonna do a fried egg. There's gonna be bacon on it. And then there's gonna be a fried egg to top it off. Okay, I'm really bad at making fried eggs, but we got this.
Emma, where's my huge, gigantic spatula deal?
I think it's behind the white thing.
We have one bigger than this. Where is it?
Behind the white thing. Oh my gosh, I forgot about that. I could have used that to flip mine.
You can use this one. I need this one because mine's 2 pounds. Do you think this is strong enough to hold 2 pounds and flip it?
Oh my gosh.
Why don't we just cook all the bacon? What could possibly go wrong?
Turns out. Here, let me
go
move
to
this.
Emma's channel to see how her burger turned out. You can see it right here. She's gonna do the taste test over on her channel.
Go to my channel to see if I cut it in half and to see if it's gonna be raw.
I have a feeling it is.
That.
You didn't go very long. We're at 130 degrees in the meat. I was gonna go to 135, but I'm gonna pull it at 130 because this isn't quite as hot as I want it, so I'm gonna have to sear the burger on here.
So good.
This little thermometer was incredible. It's kind of hot. I'm gonna set it over here.
Ready. Oh, that's gonna be a delicious smoke flavor.
Here. This is nuts. 2 pounds Wagyu beef burger. I smoked this on the smoker at 225 degrees, hour and a half. It's gonna have that smoky flavor, but then that nice charcoal flavor because I finished it on the lump charcoal. Oh, it smells so good. It's the size of my head. It's 2 pounds. I'm a carnivore. This is what carnivores eat. We don't eat little tiny burger patties, little quarter pounders, third pounders. 2 pound burger patty, best burger on the entire planet. Slow smoked it, grilled it on some charcoal, got a nice sear. Oh, this thing smells so good. And to top it off, we got bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. A little bit more Maldon salt.
2 pounds.
Oh, look at that, nice medium. I don't like my burgers rare. I like my steak rare. I like my burgers a little bit more medium. Here we go, here's the first bite. Here we go, first bite.
How is it? How is it?
You gotta try it. It is so good. It is so good. Why is it so good? The texture. It's like, it's soft because you smoke it low and slow. It's like tender. It's so tender, but then you got that crusty, crispy outside ridge. Like, look at this. You got nice crust on here, a little bit of bark, a little bit of crust. It holds it all together. See, look at that. We gotta show that in the light. That little bit of crust makes a world of difference. You got that little smoky flavor. I win.
Really?
Is it a contest? You gotta try. You gotta taste this. Emma's going for her first bite. She's got bacon on there. She's got the crusty, crispy edge, smoked flavor in the middle. Let's go.
Cheers. Okay.
You hit the light.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Speechless. Okay, yours won. Yours definitely won.
It's like a burger meatloaf. It's like a big loaf of meat, but it tastes more like a burger. But it's tender, right? That's the crazy part. It's tender. I gotta eat some more.
That is fantastic. Wow.
Emma's eating half my burger. I'll have to make a 4-pounder next time. That's a 2-pound burger. This burger was incredible. If you're making burgers and you want to try to switch things up a little bit, you have a smoker, try smoking them once and then searing them at the end. It takes longer, but it's not that hard and it tastes incredible. It makes the burger so much more tender. Emma was just eating and she's saying it tastes like a steak. It tastes like a steak because it's soft in the middle, but you got that crispy texture on the outside. Absolutely fantastic.